Hello, my name is Dr. Ngozi Onuoha. I want to talk about financial literacy and education. I'm going to talk about credit cards today. I just returned from a business trip. The hotel did not accept any cash whatsoever. Either you charged your items to your room or you paid with a credit card. So if you were paying for food or items from the hotel's food and grocery store, you charged the bill to your room or you paid with a credit card. Now, lots of people are afraid to use credit cards, and I don't blame them, because lots of people get into trouble with credit cards and overspending because they don't understand what a credit card is. It is kind of a soft loan because you're borrowing money from the credit card companies to pay for items, and you have to make sure you're paying before the bill is due. So safe credit card use is making sure that you don't use more than 30% of the limit on the card, and also paying off before the bill is due. So this 30% is called the safe credit utilization rate. And some people say you should not exceed more than 10% of the credit limit so that you can build an excellent credit score. So your credit score determines the rate you will get for a house loan or a car loan or other loans. So let me give you an example. If the limit on your credit card is $5,000, so 30% of 5,000 is 1,500. Don't exceed that amount in spending. Pay it off quickly and do not spend what you cannot afford, because again, you're borrowing from the banks. Do not shop when you're hungry, tired, or frustrated, because you're going to spend more. Spending is a feel good. A lot of people use spending to pep themselves up and feel good. So avoid the stores when you feel down. Write the list of things you need and stay within the safe credit limit spending, which is less than 30%. And also pay off your credit card bills way before the bill is due. This is the best way to use credit cards. We cannot avoid credit cards. It's a cashless economy, and as we've seen during the COVID pandemic, a lot of places don't want to accept cash. So you're going to have to learn how to use credit cards safely, because there's really no way to get out of not having a credit card. So I hope you've enjoyed listening and you've gotten some wisdom from this presentation on safe credit card use. This is part of the financial literacy and education, which is under the umbrella of Health for Naija. I provide health education and more. And you can follow at Health for Naija on all the social media platforms. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and give us a thumbs up. That's very important. If you found this information helpful, write a nice comment. It is encouraging. It allows me to create more videos for you and build my following. So bye for now and have a great day.